Yes, so we went pretty close to Menorca Island again. We've been kind of going around the Balearic Island for the last few weeks, and now the objective is to find a really good route to get to south of Sardinia. We are expecting some DMG downwind to get into Sardinia, and towards the waypoint in Ustica, just north of Sicily. So trying to get from Spain to Italy right now. We had pretty intense sailing a few hours ago, and then we had to cross through a low pressure, so we were able to kind of squeeze it through it without being too painful, and that was really nice. And now we are waiting for this westerly flow and somewhere downwind. So we are the one a little bit more southeast. So we will see how it pans out compared to the leaders.
And how did we do on the scoring gate? And where was it?
Yeah, we got third at the scoring gate. That was in line with Santo Stefano, and just shy of one position from getting some points, but it was a good fight. And I think it's also just trying to be ahead, for the leg. I think our objective is really to get some points during this leg and finish with a good highlight for the team. So we're really trying to push it. Will is doing a really great job guiding us through this really tricky Mediterranean sea. So yeah, he's not having a lot of sleep, but probably a lot of headaches. We'll see. Getting to Montenegro in a few days.
Is this a typical feature of the Mediterranean?
Oh, it's kind of scary in the Med, honestly. The water is always super hot, and the air that comes on top of it is normally cold at this time of the year. So I create these big storms. This one is more from a bigger system, but still, I don't like it. I really don't like thunderstorms. Neither at sea, neither in front of a coffee and a book in my whole house. I'm scared of it. When I was a kid, I was wrapping myself into the curtains of the windows, and I was calling it aqua boom boom because it was water and was making boom noises. So
Let's do some aqua boom boom.
but this is definitely aqua boom boom, and it's a bit scary. Yeah.
Good foul. Runner?
Yes.
Or do you want to do Arbalete first? The J2.
No, wait, take it off. It was an Arbalete. Can you see the cold or less?
I think the rain coming through. Just like left wing.
I think it's rain with less wind.
You put the headset out on that side,
Yeah.
on this
Yeah.
bench. You see pretty well the limit of the wind.
Crazy outside.
I don't know if it's no wind, lots of wind, snow, rain, hail, could be anything. I hope we're not going to eat enough. That could be the race deciding cloud too. Huh?
Yeah.
The other three go away and we're just
We
and
go
Olsen
away.
goes around.
And we go away.
Can we just see what the other boat is?
It looks like my hometown.
If anything bad happens on the boat, we need to call this.
Yeah,
But 60% of time every time.
There we go.
Super close to the wind. Is that
Trying to come up,
that's straight through, huh?
Yeah, but the wind's going to drop off again.
Yeah, we just smack it up wind. We first refer to day 3.
Yeah.
You want to go to 17?
Yeah.
Or we just chill a bit.
Yeah. Well, I meant hold there.
Go on, push them.
What's going on, Will?
Says we're winning.
The tracker said
Big game, big
you're
game.
ready.
Jack says we're first.
Gonna document that one.
It's always a good sign.
It's the tracker.
They're totally stopped.
They're stopped.
Yeah. Oh, they're doing.
Save a lot of fun.
You say, oh, we say travel.